Hello Cavite home buyers and property seekers. My name is Ephraim, your Cavite broker. Kung naghahanap kayo ng complete finish na 2 to 3 bedroom townhouses dito sa Imus, Cavite, then wag nyo nang palagpasin ang house tour natin ngayon. For today's video, andito tayo sa Park Royal sa Alapan 2A, Imus, Cavite to feature ang kanilang Audrey Expanded Townhouse. Project ito ni Masaito Development Corporation, isa sa mga kilalang real estate developer dito sa Cavite. And with that, simulan na po natin ang ating house tour. Para sa isang typical inner unit sa ating Audrey Expanded Townhouse, we have 67 square meters na lot area at ang laki ng bahay naman ay 63 square meters. May space na rin tayo sa harapan for a one-car garage. Isa sa mga maganda dito sa Park Royal, naka-steel case na ang ating mga exterior doors. Upgraded na ito na may kasamang peephole as an added security na din natin. At weatherproof na rin ito unlike sa mga wooden doors. Pagpasok sa ating unit, makikita natin na open layout ang ating ground floor. Dahil complete finish tayo sa ating turnover, naka-tiles na ang ating mga flooring and painted na din ang interior ng bahay. For our kitchen, kasama na itong counter with sink at may cabinets na rin sa ilalim upon turnover. At syempre, may common toilet and bath na rin tayo dito sa ground floor, complete with shower, toilet, and sink. May backdoor din tayo dito sa ground floor. Dito, may kaunting space pa tayo na pwede natin i-enclose for our dirty kitchen or laundry area. And by the way guys, itong ating nasa video na house tour ay isang dressed up model unit, so syempre furnitures not yet included. As for our stairs, naka-concrete na ito with railings at may provided na ring space sa ilalim for our storage. Over here, dito sa second floor, we have 3 bedrooms and 1 toilet and bath. Naka-tiles na rin ang ating common toilet and bath dito sa second floor, complete with shower, toilet, and sink. Interestingly, dalawa ang access natin dito sa ating CR. As you can see, may access tayo from the hallway and also may exclusive access din from this room which is actually the master's bedroom. And since this is the master's, ito na yung may pinakamalaking sukat among all the bedrooms dito sa bahay. Over here, andito naman ang ating pinto connecting to the toilet and bath. Kaya naman from the master's, pagpasok sa ating banyo, ay pwede namang ilak ang kabilang pinto from the hallway para magkaroon tayo ng exclusive master's toilet and bath. As for our other 2 bedrooms, located sila dito facing sa harapan ng ating bahay. Size-wise, perfect ito as a single bedroom, pero pwede rin namang lagyan ito ng bunk beds kung gagawing itong shared bedrooms. By the way, swinging windows pala ang turnover nila for their bedrooms. At nakaboard naman ang divisions ng kanilang mga kwarto. And for this bedroom naman, located sa tabi ng ating hagdan, ito na yung pinakamaliit nilang kwarto. And saktong-sakto ito for a single bedroom. Now, some basic details for the terms ng ating Audrey Expanded unit dito sa Park Royal. As of January 2024, nasa 3.8M ang TCP for a typical inner unit ng ating Audrey Expanded. Sulit na ito considering na complete finish ang bahay and with 3 bedrooms and 2 toilet and bath. Financing wise naman, nag-o-offer sila dito ng bank financing at in-house financing. Para naman sa kanilang down payment, naka 12 months to pay ito at 0 interest. And only 10,000 pesos for reservation fee. Kaya kung ang hanap nyo ay 3-bedroom complete house in Imus and near Cavitex going to Manila, then contact nyo na kami for trippings. Thanks for watching and God bless!